teams on the scene. We were looking at a robotic device that we had been tracking from our chopper shots there, which we believe had been used to investigate this security alert. Police say they were called in around 4 o'clock to reports that a male pedestrian had been behaving unusually. They thought it was serious enough to attend. They did so. The man was arrested, and then officers reported they'd found a suspicious item. They probably would normally keep that information close to their chest, but you can imagine Friday night, kids, a lot of them starting school Monday, many people coming back from holidays. There were a lot of people heading into that area, and they had really to put out a reason for closing that bridge. So they closed the Dartford crossing both ways. Motorists stuck in the queues of traffic reported seeing an army bomb disposal vehicle, ambulances and emergency service vehicles heading towards the crossing, and the police saying it expected that crossing still to be closed for some time and advised motorists to find alternative routes. So those pictures live to you from the Dartford crossing, the M25. Don't bother going anywhere near that. Tonight is the advice. They will try and reopen it soon, but you can see long tails of traffic still trapped on those slip roads onto the M25.